The Vivo X200 series is now official, and the standard X200 and the X200 Pro are now joined by the X200 Pro Mini. However, we will focus on the X200 Pro in this hands-on review. The X200 Pro is largely similar to its predecessor, the X100 Pro, but brings a couple of improvements that would make you think twice before getting this year's X100 Ultra or the X200 Pro. Of course, the X200 Pro is an all-around flagship smartphone, but its strong emphasis on the camera experience is hard to hide. The new X200 Pro swaps out its main camera for a 50MP Sony LYT-818 sensor and a large f/1.57 aperture, and although it's not a 1-inch sensor as last year's, Vivo promises the same level of photo quality and even better video capture capabilities. Perhaps more importantly, the X200 Pro borrows the X100 Ultra's excellent telephoto camera. The large 200MP sensor with 3.7x optical zoom replaces the 50MP unit from the X100 Pro. Another centerpiece feature on this year's X200 Pro is, of course, the chipset. MediaTek's top-tier Dimensity 9400 chip is debuting with the Vivo X200 Pro. The SoC is based on the latest 3nm manufacturing process and promises exceptional performance and efficiency. A new 6000 mAh battery on board also promises to extend battery life. The rest of the hardware sees no dramatic change. The X200 Pro still rocks an excellent 6.78-inch OLED panel, the same ultra-wide and the same selfie camera. There are some subtle changes to the design, which we cover in the next section. Early verdict. It seems like the Vivo X200 Pro received some extra love this year. The company is introducing a substantial upgrade to the camera system with supporting software features, runs on an even more powerful chipset and gets some extra battery capacity. If Vivo is able to maintain a reasonable price point outside of China, it can easily become one of the hottest flagships, at least until the first half of next year. It also raises our expectations of the upcoming Vivo X200 Ultra and gives fewer reasons to get the X100 Ultra from earlier this year. The X200 Pro gets pretty close to the X100 Ultra hardware and feature-wise. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.